Normal Kenyam. Yo ban lingua seme ban report and Kurdan Chitok Banajali. Chaladu Sha Neri Chukul di Shakanak and Edang Jok to a boat. Banjalingua the Dan Chek Tokten, Kakai Kang, Kettle Cam, Kamayam County. Ban Madale Roda Banjalingua seme. Can colonial TDG and they subscribe. Kada notification bell dari jatuan ko macam teglar macam berada cuma lah cuba kerja. Ku subscribe ke more information tin kon tin bian kamala aja kapet. Leran salat sana dangwal dia cakna kene dang dokter tekabot. Kuan mecakai kang ketel kem caja maktin kamayom kanti. Newal dia cakna kecane dang jok cau mech kabot. Kurang tuaga kai kang ketel kem ke Saturday morning jom mencalat netin kontin makana wa group ni dical ke Mezeria Arab ni tuɔɔk ke South Sudan ke Sudan wa chicken spiritual leader gat kura long Kiam chicken mak, ketagwan, köör, kwame wakarunwa. Cari purmo cajalat. Niri konanin chikaladonena. Naitin kwana mak. Wajal kan kapedalong, kajal kan gedin tangwan. Gwadan maikanokten. Wa chikarum ke mani ka jojok. Mana bubum ke. Siwokin chicken kanang kamagang kan ke. Dino kokor tani tin kon siwe jojo de guano chanyok kami joy ka jok kanediti chugan ka jojok jen kwa danan kwan jigano tetikane di chamu ka bot kanedi chanak ari ko dan chitok nere ko yamu ka bot chaga nanga clinic ka chane de kon chilu no chaga kam family ba ko ko ban to ban je kula mach Ang ketel Kamadan and Manmaka Nuer use Kamayam County Kana Mezeria Duno Chalado Niditi Diogano Decalaja Kajang at Konamaka na Kabinum There Kula report on a chalat Guasme Kodong Gurian of Nidian Bugating National sure a lot exactly Biangajano report a chalade report me chalat Kachi Namoja tuɔɔk Banjaling guada me katukuran chagor kaja. 15 killed, 3 wounded in pre-down attack on Kaikang cattle camp in Mayom County. At least 15 people were reportedly killed and 3 other wounded in a violent clash at Kaikang cattle camp early Saturday morning, according to local sources. Eyewitnesses reported that an army group of Mezeria Arab Aider from South Sudan attacked a spiritual leader Gat Kuralong camp at 4 a.m. The raid swiftly escalated into a fierce action with army youth defending the camp. The spiritual leader's son, whose name is withheld, told the Eagle that the raiders were repelled and all the livestock were recovered. The incident happened around 4 o'clock last night. We fought back and after intense clash we killed 14 of them. They killed 1 from us and wounded 3 people from us also. We defeated them and chased them back towards South Sudan, Dador say. Another eyewitness noticed that the attacker came fast and heavily armed. Our youth fought bravely to defend the livestock and our families. It was terrifying few hours, but we managed to drive them away. The wounded were taken to local clinic and bodies were reportedly moved to community gravesite. A long story of cattle raiding between the Nuer youth of Mayom County and Mezeria Aider has been there for years. The raids are rooted in competition for grazing land, water, and traditional migratory route. Historically, thousands of cattle and dozens of lives have been lost in cross-border raids along the South Sudan frontier. Effort to establish formal cattle migration corridor and peace talk have stalled repeatedly. A cross-border peace conference planned earlier this year by the Mezeria and Mayom County communities halted after disagreement over grazing route, illustrating ongoing mistrust between the communities. Peace initiative and and setback. Despite repeated violent peace-building efforts have taken place in and around Mayom County, the United Nations mission in South Sudan has organized peace raids and promoted community dialogue to reduce conflict and cattle raid, but progress remains limited. Begin shalinga ne dangwal di chakan na kanitin kon ti chok ngari kan gokol ngur spiritual leader chao ko kan ka kai kang kano ka kan na ngadi ado do shikanitin kon yi bini kan ne dangwal di to ayo to gwal dala na to koten gorno jin mi channel mi nyak mi subscribe kaja ko bitin kon lat ko kan chamala chukaje ka pat ya te kamal